Butterfly Brenda here again, and it's my pleasure to welcome you to my latest listing, 42932 Peachwood Street in the beautiful Irvington neighborhood of Fremont. Come on, let's take a look. Whether you love to entertain or you have to keep an eye on the little kids, this house is spacious, but it has main line of sight through all of the rooms on the main living area. The surprisingly spacious dining room accommodates large groups. Look, we have a table for 6 or more. Quartz countertops, brand new stainless steel appliances. This open concept kitchen opens to a myriad of spaces, perfect for entertaining. This enormous home of 2,713 square feet has 6 bedrooms and 5 baths. But what makes it extra special is downstairs you have 2 full bedrooms and 2 full baths. Who needs an ADU? And because we live in California and we love our indoor-outdoor lifestyle, we have an additional family room that leads directly out to this spacious outside patio. Thank you for coming on this tour with me. If you have any questions or you'd like to see this home in person, contact me, Brenda Avilla-Kintz, your realtor with solutions for changing lives. Have a great day.